Hello. Nomad Sculpt and another riddle, part 2. This riddle is from Daniel Nielsen. Thanks, Daniel, again. Um, I have to explain it. But I go to the Nomad app. This is the thing you have to sculpt, not to sculpt. It's only allowed to use the mask, selection mask, and so nothing. And I delete the objects, and it's only allowed to use this box. This box. And only this box. Okay, 2 times this box. But it's possible to do this object I showed before only with this box. For those who don't want to know the way to get to the final result, can press here pause, and then you can start playback when you find the solution. But I do now the way to the solution. Okay, this is a box. Use the selection mask, mask the object, and then switch to the mask and use the unmask feature and unmask this part. I turn the outline on. And now go to the mask, reduce the shell thickness to 0, null, nothing, and extract it. In the scene menu, you can hide the cube and use only the mesh. We can go back to the cube for a step and clear the mask. And now we go back to the extracted 3 planes. These 3 planes we have to subdivide 2 times. Then this is a part of a sphere created of the 3 planes. And when we got this, we go to the selection mask, turn the symmetry off, mask this, and we go to the mask settings, and shell thickness is 0, and extract. No, we change it to 1 and extract the shell. Now it looks like this. The second mesh we don't need anymore. We can delete it. At this point, we have to mask the outer ring of the unmask is on, symmetry is on. Okay, we have to mask this this edge of the object. I hope we got everything. Not too much. Okay, we selected it or masked it and go to the mask, change it to 0 and extract the shell. We can select the object in the scene menu. We can delete it, and we can go to the ring again take a selection mask, select this, and give it a thickness of the shell from 1 and extract it again. The second mesh we don't need anymore, it's only the mask. And this mesh we can subdivide 1, 2 times, then it's a cube. Not a cube, a tube, yes. Okay. And now we can bring back the cube, not the tube. We can give it a color. And okay, we'll make another color. This, and the ring is golden, it's okay. And turn the wireframe off, and now we can set the post-processing. It's okay. Now it looks like the object from the beginning. That's really tricky sometimes. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.